school. And look, are we already celebrating fall? Y'all know I love fall. And the shoes is already shoeing at Walmart. No Boundaries has got this studded cowboy boot in red. Now, when's the last time y'all seen Walmart bring out some red boots? I have not. These are beautiful, y'all. It reminds me of, oh no, it's a little off from my bag, but this is so cute. I like the red color, and of course I like the black, but the red has studs, and then they have the suede one too. What? $44.98, y'all. Not bad. Now it looks like somebody's already snatching up pairs here because this is missing some. And here's the thing, they just released them. Super, super cute, y'all. They have them in every size, a 6, 7, 8, 9s, 10s, and 11s. Y'all see that? That is awesome. Let me look at this one though with the fabric, just so you can see what it's working with. I love the studded details in it, y'all. This is really, really nice. And then the suede, y'all know I love when it does this. This is my test. If it don't do this, I don't want it. Right? And y'all probably like, that's when it's fake, when it does that. I don't care. I like that it does that. And y'all see it has like so many different tones because it flips up and down like that. I love that. Y'all, these are cute. Y'all let me know if you're feeling these type of boots. I definitely love these, y'all. I'm gonna tag these though. I don't see these or these lasting too long. And then the fact that these are black cowboy boots, I haven't seen those last season. So yeah, I don't see these remaining around for too long, y'all. Fall is coming up. Now I am in Florida, so we got some time here. However, all y'all up north people, y'all know it's about to get cold. Don't act like y'all brand new. Y'all done got in the heat and y'all done sat there and thought that it was gonna stay like that. No, it's not. Y'all know it's gonna get cold on you, so make sure you grabbing you a pair of boots. These are super dope, y'all. Tell me which one is the best to you. The studded red, the studded suede, the black. I just gave you the order that I like them in. But I love all three pair of those. Super beautiful. We keeping on with the fall shoes. These are $25, so $24.98 by Time and True. These are super cute. They are suede. They don't move around. I mean, it's giving the suede effect. You already know that they're not really suede. These, we cleaned up on these last year. Not this color though. I could imagine that these are probably gonna rip and run up out of here pretty quick. But these colors, we kind of tore these up. I got a brown pair. They have so many different pairs of these. Super, super cute. They're calling them a comfort sock. I bet you they're comfort because of the memory. Oh yes, y'all see that? Yes, yes, yes. Definitely gonna be giving soft. I love it, y'all. They have these in all sizes as well. 6 all the way up to size 11 from what I can see all the way at the bottom. Love, love, love these. I think I like this color too. Now the shoes that I had last year was the fake Uggs. Well, actually I bought a pair of all of these. I got one pair of these that I was able to get on sale right before spring started, luckily. But y'all, that was all the way in like February. So you want to try to get these as early as possible because they're probably not going to last too long. They probably will bring in other colors. You know what color I have not seen yet? I haven't seen a black suede. But these, super, super cute. Love them. Now, I don't know how you feel about memory foam. Oh my goodness. No Boundaries memory foam shoes. Y'all, these are even better. Look at the colors that they're coming out with. Now, I'm sure these are giving fall. It's fall time. I love these. These are cute in brown. I like them. Pretty reasonable price, $25 now. I don't know how you feel about wearing an off-brand shoe. I've gotten older, so I'm 100% okay with it. Times have also changed. You do not have to have the $150 tennis shoe anymore. for some reason. Or am I wrong? Young people, let me know in the comments. It's forbidden to wear this or not. I just think that they are super to this section. What drug me over here to this section, you already know, these, the olive green ones, and oh gosh, they are packed to capacity. Probably not for long. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these off or not. Here we go, down at the bottom. They've got them in all sizes, 6 all the way up to 11. Look, they even got an 8.5. Ain't that crazy? But look at these. Now I don't know what made them do this with the 2 different types of shoelaces, but I'm here for it. Okay, they are not shoe stringless. They actually do, or they've laced them this way. I don't know if I would actually use that burgundy string. I don't know, but these are super cute. They're given suede. These are $26.98 for these, but these are really cute. I'm not feeling these, the white and black ones. I did want to show you them. Not really too much feeling those. Love these, and I love the brown ones. The blue ones are very cute as well, but these would be a must-have to me. Not only these, I would have to have these tan ones too, which are also beautiful tennis shoes. These are also $26.98. I guess the ones that don't have the white stripe on them are a little bit higher. Not to mention these are suede through and through. So these are all given like that suede material. I know you don't have to correct me. I know it's not real suede. Let's just call everything what it looks like it is, okay? But these don't have it all the way. They're nylon or whatever this fabric is right here plus suede. That's probably why they're $2 cheaper. Either way, these and these are must have in my wardrobe. Tell me how you feeling. Would you wear something off brand like this, a No Boundaries brand? Or are you okay with it? Like you don't care what others say about, you know, the brand. I mean, because it used to be that all we could wear is Nikes or Jordans, but hey, we done did Avias, we Asics, we do New Balances, and I rock them all. Still coming through with the boots, y'all. More No Boundaries boots. These are giving more like a, I don't know, like a Aztec type of flavor. I'm loving these though. They are just like a faux leather with the fake wood grain bottoms. I like the burgundy ones. That's why I went to these first, y'all. These are $47, so $46.98. They are giving cute. I definitely see a sweater skirt, y'all. I used to have this skirt that was like a broom skirt, but it was what is it, like a cotton fabric. It was a whole bunch of different colors. This was one of the colors in it. This was one of the colors in it. Either one of these boots would have matched perfect with them. I did wear them with brown suede cowboy boots, y'all. I'm just letting you know, these would look so cute with a long maxi skirt that's giving like the fall colors. And I'm talking autumn. I'm talking about the colors that your leaves change to around what, September, October, August, when they change to these colors, depending on what tree you got. But I've seen these, love them. Super cute, y'all. They got them all the way up to size 11. These are $46.98. Super cute, y'all. Super cute. Rubber at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it like slip grips. It does have the memory foam on the inside as well, so I'm sure it's pretty soft. I can't get off into them to show you, but yes, these are super cute. I love them, y'all. And these right here, I know this looks a mess, but these are what I came for. I literally came for these shoes. Everybody has a ballet flat right now, but when you add like these straps or laces in the front, like you really did the right thing to me. These are so cute. Let me see if I can put this right so that we can have these. Okay, there we go. Bam. Y'all, super cute. I love these shoes. I want these shoes. They are $25. I think they are adorable. 100%. I wish they had them in so many different colors because I would like these. Now, if the other shoes that I just looked at, if they had these in that brown suede, oh, if they had them in olive green, y'all, they would be going home with me today. I don't care how much they cost. They don't cost $100 like the Pumas that I wanted. They don't cost $150 like the Nordstrom shoes that I wanted that are also. There's another pair. Adidas is out of control with how much theirs cost. These are so adorable. Y'all, come out with more colors on these. Walmart, no boundaries, please. Give us some more colors on these. I promise you they will fly off the shelves. These are brand new though. They were not here last week. They probably not gonna last very long. I love these shoes though. Super, super cute. And look at the gum bottom. Ballet flats are a hot deal right now, and these are definitely good for fall coming up, y'all. So make sure you snatch you up a pair. Y'all, Walmart really has so many fall options. I mean, I know I showed you that those last shoes that I wanted to look at were the ballet flats, but then when I see these flats as well, these leather flats in burgundy, and they also have them in black for $20, you still have options to go down even further. And these, again, memory foam. I love a memory foam shoe, and I have some, and I love that you can sit in them all day is what I'm saying basically. So yes, happy that we got fall options already. It's a little bit early for those that are in the actual cold climates where it's going to start getting cold. You don't have much time to wear some of these, but for the most part you could wear all these probably up till October, unless you get some snow in October. It's happened before. I've seen it in Kansas City, Missouri. Split trees right on down and off. Crazy to hear a big tree crack in the middle of the night. Have y'all ever heard that? Crazy. Love some Mary Janes. Love to wear a nice wide leg suit with these. Super, super cute. These are $28.98. They also have the memory foam on the inside. Not as much as the other shoe. It did. You remember how my finger bounced back? This one don't seem as strong. Like it's gonna give you a little harder surface. But look at these right here. This Love leather one. It's almost like the purses that are, looking a little bit worn. I love that. I wish this was probably more like a brass, like gold brass color. That would have been dope. But these are also $26.98 as well. But guys, I really appreciate you checking out the video for me today. Y'all, make sure y'all like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I'm always keeping you updated on the latest. I don't always just keep you updated on the latest. That's not the only thing that I do. When I come in here and I see these shoes for $3, I tell you to run. When I see $800, $900 bags drop down to $450, I run here and I tell you, and I know y'all getting it because I can see you doing it. I've seen that on that $450 bag, that Coach bag that went down. I sold plenty of them. So y'all, I keep you in the know. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will try not to flood you with any junk. I think most of the things that I show is pretty darn important, guys. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.